Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Earth gravity and space stations. Get ready to blast off as we explore the gravity conditions in our own backyard and the International Space Station. Let's start with Earth. Do you know that as soon as you step out of a space station, you will be in a weightless environment? But what about gravity? Well, on Earth, there's no single gravity figure. It varies from place to place. For instance, at the Eiffel Tower, the gravity is roughly 9.83 newtons per kJt. At Mount Everest peak, it's approximately 9.78 newtons per kJt. So, when astronauts return from space, they don't need to adjust their inner ear balance. It stays the same since they never experienced gravity in the first place. Now let's talk about the International Space Station ISS. The ISS orbits around Earth at an altitude of about 250 miles, which means it takes just over 90 minutes to complete a full orbit. As our planet is rotating beneath them, they maintain a constant sunrise and sunset every 90 minutes. But what about gravity? Interestingly, there isn't one single gravity figure for space. It also varies. On the ISS, astronauts experience microgravity or reduced gravity. When they release something in microgravity, it floats for about 15 seconds before being slowly drawn back down. However, if they were to drop an object outside of the ISS into free space, which is even further away from Earth than the ISS, that object would keep floating forever. That's because free-floating objects in space are subject to very little force, about 9.83 newtons per kg when falling towards the planet. Well, then what keeps things floating around inside the ISS? It turns out that not only does microgravity exist outside of the station, but also inside and underneath it. So, when things float inside or underneath,